This video provides information on the transaction history page, content, and navigation. Click on Transaction History. A list of current day transactions are displayed. The columns displayed are as follows: Transaction ID, which is a system-generated unique transaction identifier. The last 4 digits of the account number impacted. The check serial number. The dollar amount. Current status and date is displayed. A View Image icon is available to click on to view an image of the check in question. If entitled to Change Transaction Status, a column titled Change Status is displayed with active action buttons when a transaction is eligible to be managed. To change the date range, select the down arrow symbol next to the date. Make a selection or enter a custom date range and click Apply. To filter the information, select the arrow button on the far right of the bar titled Filters. The filter section will expand where values can be entered or selected. Transactions can be filtered by check serial number, account, amount, and transaction status. When the desired value is entered or selected, click Apply. To clear a selection, click Reset. More details of the transaction can be viewed by clicking the arrow to the left of the transaction information. The drop-down contains additional information regarding the transaction, such as the serial number provided in the issuance file, the original check serial number and amount, return information if applicable, as well as notification information. Cleanup complete. If yes, indicates the financial institution has made modifications to bad information,